All right, what is up, guys? I wanted to come on here and make an update video, just to talk about kind of the Discord and what we're going to be doing with this, because I've been talking about this. I actually talked about this like over a year ago, what I was going to do with this Discord and what the plan was. So this is going to go to a paid uh, membership thing soon. And it will be kind of locked down. The walls of the city gates will be sealed off, if you will, as of the 7th. So that's Monday. But this is what I've been shouting from the rooftops. Basically, you got to get in here right now because if you join right now, I mean, it's completely free. It's just as it is right now, and you join, and then what's going to happen is all these members that are in blue are gonna be gonna get the trader role, new trader role, and basically what's gonna happen is right now all these members have access to all these channels, the voice channels, which I'm in live 9:20 or so every single day in the Discord trading, and anyone can hop in there with us. And right now, all those members, if you're in here by the 7th, you're going to get the trader role automatically. And then that role is going to become $20, and you get it until December 7th. So the whole thing will end December 7th. And then after December 7th, I'll figure out something else. This is like a test run basically, but if you join right now, the whole thing is completely free. You pay nothing. But what you get is access to the entire Discord, obviously, members, myself, like I'm in here all the time. Any messages that are in here, I see like very quickly. Um, and then the main thing is me in the Discord live at around 9:20 or so, and you can trade alongside me. And then I'll be streaming starting Monday, streaming in the Discord 5 days a week. So starting Monday, I'll be live in the Discord channel, so you can stream directly, like live from the Discord instead of on YouTube where there's like a bit of a delay and I'm streaming only 3 days a week. So if you want, you can just keep with the YouTube or whatever. But if you hop in the Discord, you get it fully live 5 days a week. And if you join right now, the whole thing's completely free until December 7th. Um, if you join now. But if you don't join now, then the paywall goes up on the 7th of November, this Monday. So hopefully that makes sense. It's kind of a weird structure, but the idea is that I want you guys to join now so that you guys all get it for free, and so that we have members in here that don't have to pay, and you guys are kind of grandfathered in. And if you're watching right now, I'm going to let you in on a bonus, an extra special bonus. So, um, if you go to the link in the description, you join the Discord, and then you click the wap.com link that's down there, it'll take you to this page, and this outlines exactly what you get with the trader role, and it'll show that it's $20 over here. But there's a code down there where if you buy the trader role, but there's a code down there that gives you 100% off, 100% off, so it's free, right? But you buy it through this link, it'll give you the trader role, because otherwise, if you just join, you get the member role. But if you do this, you get the trader role right now, and if you do it, you get 10% off of whatever the future subscription is in the future. You get 10% off for life if you just do this completely free. So this is just a free 10% discount if you do it and get the trader role right now. So okay, I know this is kind of like, hopefully this is like making some degree of sense, but I warned like a year ago that this was going to be a paid thing eventually. And the reason is, first of all, I think there's a lot of value, but if nobody joins or whatever, and this isn't worth it to people, then fine, nobody will join, whatever. If you guys are content with the YouTube live streams or whatever, or you trade all yourself, whatever, fine. But I think that the streams are pretty good value, and especially getting it in that real time. And then in the Discord, we open it up after 11 for people to chat, and I'm open to talking with you guys in the Discord and one on one, and if you guys want to be live on the open with me, we can have a discussion about that. I worry about there being like 20 people in the Discord like all yelling about different stocks at once on the open. Obviously that would not work, but we could structure it in a way where maybe it would work. And then obviously past 10:30 or 11 o'clock, we can open it up to everyone. And anyway, that would be like a really cool thing, I think, would it be to have that community where we're kind of all in the Discord talking about stuff real time. Obviously, I don't want it to get too hectic, but again, kind of after 10, 11 o'clock when things slow down. But then also, I'll be streaming in the Discord exactly what you would see on YouTube in the Discord. Uh, and I feel like that's pretty good value to see it live in the Discord. So, I'm not trying to sell you guys this, obviously, but I think it's pretty good, and just having that community in here. But again, if you join right now, I'm not trying to sell you guys this. It's completely free. You just have to get in there right now, and you lose absolutely nothing. You only gain. So, um, this is the Discord, and I'll walk you guys through kind of my what I shared in there today. Obviously, today, unfortunately, I'll turn this into a bit of a recap here. But unfortunately, I did record the session today. Actually, I have this recording of the session. And it kind of all went downhill for me on this Tesla trade. You can see down $90, but it gets worse as it comes down, down. I'm still in this trade. It bounces back up. At one point, as it comes back up, I'm only down like 60, but then it ultimately folds back in. Uh, yeah, so like anyway, I had to stop out of this trade. And then what really made matters worse is, so at that point I was like down like 200 after that trade. This was my ending balance on the day. I don't know if you can see that, it's really small. Um, down 547 it says here. So I finished down like 550 bucks on the day today, unfortunately. And you can read what I read here. Shoot, I took another stab and lost. This was after the Tesla trade. I took that Tesla trade. I stopped out. I was like, dang, I'm down 200. I had to go take a midterm. I had to go take a midterm exam. Went and took my midterm. Then I left. I came out of that class. I literally opened my laptop, opened Thinkorswim. I was looking around. I wanted to be green. Why did I want to be green? Well, I'm on 12 green days in a row coming into today. So I just locked in that that streak is over. But I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green days in a row. I just didn't want it to end. So that kind of coerced me, or whatever is the right word, into taking that sitting down and taking trades I shouldn't have. And then I took a trade on Nvidia. I took a trade on Amazon, which is like a $13 winner, and then I hopped into Nvidia with huge size, and I got slapped, and then I took another trade with even bigger size, revenging, and I lost again. And I went from like up I was up on Nvidia, and then I went to down 200. Anyway, so I went from like down 220 to like down 300 to like down 550, and I was like, anyway, that's that. Those are those points in all. It's always been the case that in my equities trading, if I can just control the blow up days, if I can just not have blow up days, this is what I'm explaining here. Um, these are the days where I spiral out of control. These are the ones where I really need to avoid, that I really need to avoid. Before that last trade, I literally thought to myself, here we go. Like I'm revenging. Like this is where I should be stopping, and it would probably do me a lot of good. But I still took that extra trade and lost. And then at least then, after that, I put down the shovel, and stopped digging that hole. There are a lot of days in the past where I would continue to dig down 800, down 1,000, down 1,500, down 2,500. It's happened before. And every time you take that your revenge with bigger size and you lose again and you dig that hole deeper, that emotional aspect comes back even stronger, where you're like, I gotta get that back, and I gotta get back. It's stronger every time. It grows and it grows and grows, so it gets harder and harder, not just to dig yourself out because of how much you're down, but the emotional aspect compels you to keep trading. It's very, very tricky for me. I've always struggled with that. So yeah, these moments right now are really the ones that are so crucial for my trading. Just to stop saves a lot of money. Such a simple thing. I will do. And so from there, I did not trade after that. First red day in 13 sessions. So pretty that's pretty good. And down 550, it's like, yeah, I don't love that, but you know, I can make that back and I can make that back in a good day, or, a couple decent days. So it's like, it's not the down 800, it's not the down 1,000, it's not the down 1,500, it's just a step back. And it's unfortunately, since this week was pretty slow, it does kind of take away my profits on the week, I guess. But we had a really good month of October too. So anyway, it's not that big of a deal. So we'll just come back on Monday and hope that there's good action. So we've been pretty consistent. And then on the future side of things, I do want to share this too. I took a trade in the in the TCP. I actually sat down in the afternoon, and with the TCP again, I've pretty much, you guys know, I've pretty much cemented the fact that I'm back to equities. I'm not trading futures anymore, but I still have the TCP account on the side, which I've mentioned, and it's not my main focus by any means, but I sat down in the afternoon and we were kind of having a nice trend to the upside, so I took some trades, and my first couple trades were, not super successful, but then we got a really nice trade here, and a really nice trade. This was break even, and then a really nice trade here. So anyway, up 537 in the TCP, up to 25, 25,700, almost 25,800. That's not bad, I mean, who knows? Maybe maybe I'll get funded. It's like I wasn't even really trying. I was just like, oh, this looks bullish. This looks like a good. This looks like an apex point. You can see the bull flag here. Pretty simple. Same thing here. Just buying these breakout moves. So anyway, so really this the point of this was just to tell you guys again to join the Discord. I've been shouting it from the rooftops, but yeah, after the 7th of November, what's going to happen is all these members that are in here are going to get the trader role completely free for until December 7th. So from November 7th to December 7th for 1 month, all these people, if you're in there, you get the trader role. But again, the if you do it through the wop.com, you get the 10% off for lifetime. If you don't do that, you won't get it. So that's a little trick. And then other than that, um, yeah, I'll be live on Monday in the Discord, streaming my video. We're gonna try that, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Am I psycho for trying to lock down this Discord? I don't know. It's been open for what, 2.5 years, 2 years. People have had ample time to join it. You can join it right now, but this is kind of your last chance, last warning. So, anyway, all right, that's gonna be it from me. I gotta take a shower. I gotta get groceries. I've been running around today. I went to the gym. I had my midterm exam. I had two classes. I mean, just we're poker with the boys tonight. It's like, anyway, I'm just like, this week has been just I'm exhausted. So anyway, guys, uh, join the Discord. I'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully there's good action. I'm excited to trade, and please join me live. I'll be excited to see all of you, and be active in the chat, guys. Don't be afraid to say stuff. Tell me what's on your mind. Put some comments down below, whatever, suggestions, whatever. I always respond. At least I see everything. So um, anyway, all right, that's it, guys. See ya.